Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Tuesday, the 13th of May. It is a rainy Tuesday here in New Jersey, but it's been a hell of a freaking day here in the markets. Let's talk about today. Here we are, SPY. I, I don't want to have the political conversations. We've been talking about this in the room, how we're avoiding it. Here's your gap up on news of a trade deal. It's not a trade deal. And here's the details of the pullback on Sunday night. And here we are up. Yesterday, we had a very tough trading day. Made money if you held overnight or bought like I did on the first pop. But trading yesterday was not easy. Today, here we are. Here's your CPI number, which was good. Pop came back, went sideways, and out of the gate, first 5 minute candle, second boom. Here's your entrance, right? Second entrance right there, off of that. Up, up, up. Nice first 30 plus minutes. Went sideways and have slightly up, and here we are at a new high on the markets. Not an all-time high, a new high. We're about 4% off the all-time highs. If you're not paying attention, we've re-entered a bull market. The bull market started at the 577 area. That happened yesterday. And this is where we're at. And, people wanted to get bearish right now. Good luck. Um, and I'm not saying that bad things can't happen because they can. We know with this president, he can come out and say anything at any given time that drops the market 3, 4, 5%. But right now he's saying to buy, and that means he's probably in one of those places. And just something I just said on Spaces, I want to add to here. He's counting on money from tariffs to offset the tax cuts he wants to make. If tariffs are too high, nobody's going to buy from those countries and there's going to be no revenue. The market is accepting 10% tariffs across the board. Bottom line, you don't have to like it, you don't have to agree with it, you have to just say it and move on and make money. All right. So for me, we're extended here. Could we go higher? Yep, the pain trade, right? They caught everybody caught here. Here's your 3% pullback at 594.83. That's your next level. If we pull, a pull to this trend line would be and hold would be very bullish for me. So what was today about and what were we talking about today? I don't know. Let's start off with NVIDIA. NVIDIA now sending 18,000 of their high-end GPUs to Saudi Arabia, thanks to President Trump over there. 25 call alerts today. Look at this move on NVIDIA. Broke out. Nice move here. I own it. I didn't trade today. Why? I was focused elsewhere and I missed it and never gave me the entrance I was looking for. Huge move there. AMD, nice move as well. Avgo, huge move. The semis overall, huge move. What did I trade today? Coin. Why? Added to the S&P 500 on as of 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m. Monday morning. Gap, I traded twice with calls. Should have just held. Look at the size of this move. Is it really that good for it? No, but funds have a week to buy it to get it to the right size, and that's what's going on here. Their earnings still sucked. Nothing changes there in my mind, but there's your catalyst pushing up. We'll see what it does. What else did I trade today? Tesla. Still in Tesla. I think I'm long. What am I long now? June 370 calls. Look at this move on Tesla. 17 call alerts. This is what we do. We focus on this stuff here. Beautiful move up on Tesla. Palantir today, new all-time high. That cup and handle pattern playing out. Uh, Meta today, nice push up into the 660 area. Apple back at 213 here, testing this level here. Hood, nice little push up here today, broke to the upside. I mean, there's a lot to like here under the covers. Microsoft, quiet today, held fine. Amazon, quiet today. Uh, just those kind of days. Netflix bounced back. Boeing has 5,000 plus airline backlog and they delivered 40 planes last month. That's bullish for them. So if you take this market, and we've been very conservative here, yes. Are we in need of a rest? Yeah, we are. And could we get one as soon as tomorrow? Sure, we could. But CPI was fine. We got PPI on Thursday. Don't fight the tape. The price action wants to go higher. We've been talking about how constructive this chart was for a while now. Catch you guys live in the AM. Everybody have a good night. If you want to join us, I'll put a link in the description below. Good night, everybody.